Welcome to the Content Repurposing tutorial and our review of the best Repurpose AI tool.
So now, once I've uploaded that MP3 to that MP4, and we suggest MP4s because you can make clips out of MP4s, it's going to take about 3 to 5 minutes to do the transcription for that episode. And that transcription that you see, you're going to see all these different speaker labels. You can make those modifications, hit save. I can also select a section, and what that's going to do is bring this clip button up. So once I click that clip button, you'll see that this flyout happens, and I can hit create clip. And what that's now doing is on the clip tab, it's generating that clip, right? So at any point, or once that's done processing, I can download that clip, and I now have that that clip for social media. The next things that I'll talk about is the content that Swell writes just right out of the box. So the first thing is is show notes. So it'll write titles, summary variations, timestamps, detailed synopses, quotes, keywords, guest posts, anything that you can imagine, you can have Swell write. I can also prompt the AI from within this word processor whenever I want as well. So I can say, again, write 10 viral clickbait titles for Facebook ads as an example. And it's going to go and it's going to generate that. I can hit save, and it basically saves that. And then that export I can download as a PDF, a doc file. I can also send it to destinations. I can copy that out as well. Anyway, so moving on to the next piece that's out of the box is social posts. So social posts allow you, the social posts that we write for you are Twitter threads, Twitter posts, LinkedIn posts, Facebook posts, Instagram captions, TikTok captions, email newsletters, again, anything that you can imagine. And then the kind of final piece out of the box that Swell writes is a long form article. So for every 45 minutes of episode, it's going to write about 1,000 to 1,500 words of content. So it basically finds the different sections within the episode, and then it writes an article based on those.
Use this Repurpose AI tool yourself at onebvp.com/repurpose, or let our team manage this for you.